Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are back with another Valentine's Day type of video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the Forever Alone tag because a lot of you might be single, as I am, on Valentine's Day, so I figured this would be a really fun kind of video to put in here because not all of these videos are going to be about love, you know. Some people are heartbroken and it's okay to be heartbroken. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. It's a few questions and let's just start. So the first one, when was your first crush? As you would have already seen in one of my last videos, I will link it down below. Oh, my eyelash got stuck to the bottom. It was in like 2nd grade, so go ahead and go watch that video. It's pretty funny, so if you want to go to that video, I think it's called My First Crush or I don't know. Okay, your first kiss. My first kiss was, I want to say, my first actual kiss, yeah, was in 8th grade, maybe 9th grade. I was pretty old. Have you ever been heartbroken? Hell yes, all the time. Just kidding. I've been heartbroken before. It really sucks, but trust me girl, you get over it no matter what the situation was, no matter how hard the heartbreak was, like no matter how heartbroken you are, you will get past it. Number 4, crushing, maybe crushing on somebody. Number 5, would you like to be in a relationship? I would and then I wouldn't. I love my alone life, but sometimes a girl gets lonely and I'm like, why don't I have anybody to go eat dinner with or go to the movies with or go shopping with, like just somebody, you know? Because sometimes I do get home and I'm like, damn, I wish somebody was home to receive me with open arms, but nobody's here and it's just my pillows and I sleep and I eat. And my food's here, my food is always here. Okay, next would be, what am I looking for in someone? I'm looking for someone that totally, I don't know, like now that I'm older, I'm looking for somebody like on my level. Not saying I'm on any type of level, like I need to get my shit together too, but I want somebody that can kind of help and push me, and pretty much anybody that will support me and that doesn't bring me more down than I am. You know, like I'm already down, like I don't need somebody weighing on me. Like I have a kid, I don't need another kid. That's what I'm trying to say. Somebody to laugh with and just to be there when I need them. So that's it. Very simple. Applications down below. Have you ever been in a serious relationship? I have. I've been in a lot of serious relationships. Not a lot, but some. Describe the kind of a relationship you want with your significant other. Just want somebody that I can be comfortable around, somebody I can be myself around, which usually I'm pretty much myself. Somebody I can just go to and talk to for hours, and that's it. I just need somebody there, okay? Okay, song recommendations for Valentine's Day. I like songs like from John Legend. I really like, what's the song? All of Me. I'll give you all of me, and I'll give you, ugh, that hits my soul. There's a lot of other songs, but I can't think of the names right now. Describe the perfect date. The perfect date would be going away somewhere and just being away from home, because you're away from home. I'm always at home or at work. So it would be away from here. Not always, like sometimes I just want to be home. Food, drinks, you're the person you love. Some Disney movies, to be honest with you. I would rather watch Disney movies. Not gonna lie, like I won't be ashamed to say it. I will watch Disney movies. That would be the perfect date. Okay, next, how to win my heart. Be a very kind and giving soul. Like when I see that you are passionate about what you do, even if you work at McDonald's, if you're freaking passionate about it, like that's a big turn on. If you're passionate about just like, I don't know, if you're a family person, just be there, show that you love me, like always remind me that you love me. That gets my heart. Like when somebody just, and not like, you can tell when it's fake, you can tell when people are like, oh my god, I love you, like every second of the day. Like there's clinginess and then there's like, I love you, like I'm happy to have you. And somebody that is proud of you, like somebody that likes to show me off and is like, oh, like, you know, we're together. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, and 13, send a wish. Send a wish? I don't get it. I wish that everybody would find love, and that everybody would realize that love's very important. I used to be, you know, when you go through bad relationships, you really kind of give up and you're like, you become bitter, and I became bitter, and I just wish that nobody would become bitter, because it's not a pretty place to be. In the end, you hurt yourself. You just hurt yourself. So like, let them go. If somebody doesn't want to be with you, let them go. They're not worth it. Like, better people will come. I want to cry. I'm getting emotional. Anybody that doesn't want to be with you, you don't deserve it, girl. You will find love. Be patient, be kind, and that's it. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Just hit the subscribe button down below. Also click the little notification bell, because it does notify you every time I upload a new video. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick video. I really have fun. Like, I am having some fun doing this whole weekly like Valentine's Day videos. Let me know what type of videos you want to see from me, because Valentine's Day is almost over, and so I mean, it will be here, so my Valentine's week is almost over. So let me know what you want to see from me. Tutorials, story times, let me know. Okay, talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.